Hey everyone, if you're a fiber tech, cable installer, or network pro who deals with Kevlar and tight cable runs every day, this tool is going to save you time and frustration on the job. Hey, Gary here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're breaking down the Jonard Tools JIC-190 flush cut Kevlar cutters, a compact precision cutter made for those flush cut jobs where every millimeter counts. Here are some key reasons this tool deserves a spot in your kit. Designed for flush precision. The thin nose jaws let you get into tight spaces and cut Kevlar, insulation, tape, and cable ties flush to the surface without damaging the fiber jacket. Hold and cut with confidence. It has a serrated edge that grips Kevlar so material doesn't slip when you're making that clean cut, especially helpful when you're racing against the clock. Built to last. The non-serrated blade can be sharpened when needed, and the high-carbon steel construction stands up to repeated use. Comfortable and ergonomic. Spring-loaded TPR handles return to open automatically, reducing hand fatigue and keeping you moving through long installs with less strain. If you're looking for a lightweight but precise cutter that handles Kevlar like a champ, the Jonard JIC-190 is a tool worth trying on your next fiber prep job. And that's it for today's video. As always, be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.